Welcome on in to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. Let's check out for our weekly Light Body Calibration, because this is a Rainbowseed maintenance video. What is the theme of this week's light body focus? What is our light from within focusing on for this week? Trust and truth. You hold the keys to the answer you seek. And notice there are two dragons within this card. I'm gathering the focus, our specific keys of wisdom that you have already obtained. We are going to check out what it has to say in the Light Code Apothecary booklet. It is a purple card. When you draw this card, you are offered the opportunity to access the greater wisdom and knowledge within yourself around the situation at hand by activating your birth nature as an intuitive being. If you don't feel clearly able to fully access your own inner knowing, here are some extra tools for you to glean the insight you need in this moment. Now, looking over all of the elements of this week, it is showing how each element you contain wisdom. I love it because that card is actually right on the back of it, but there is a sense of needing to trust it and needing to know that it is true, the wisdom that you hold within each of the elements. Let's receive some more insight. Now, where are you being upgraded energetically? How, when you tap in to your truth, to your information from each of these elements, how is it upgrading your frequency? How do you use it? Ether and matter. Spiritualized matter, new life, sparkles, bedding in the light. I absolutely love this card. It is so almost romantic in a sense because it is your spirit connecting with your physical vessel. It is connecting with that 3 to 5D frequency. There is a new way of utilizing and trusting in yourself this week, and almost trusting that when your spirit, so we can see ether is more of this masculine appearing figure. Masculine energy, I'm not seeing this as physically a male or man. I'm seeing it more as the ether or your spirit releases energy because the masculine frequency is releasing. And the feminine, which is this water, which is matter, which is that physical vessel, which is you in this physical body listening right now, is receiving. It's receptive. So it views, it looks, it appears as a woman or a very feminine being, but what it is representing is that matter is incredibly receptive. So this week it's all about trusting what is within each of your elements, and each of those physical elements within your matter, your body, are actually beginning to receive spiritual downloads. They're beginning to integrate. And that's how you maintain your energy this week, is knowing that you have the ability to tap into each element. You know exactly how to tap into the earth, the water, the fire, metal, wood, air, all of these elements that you're tapping into. It's not only knowing of the elements, but knowing there is truth in each of them and utilizing them, integrating what does my spirit connect to and how do I physically use that. Let's see which chakra is being utilized and needing support this week. Let's see here. The throat chakra, and this makes complete sense, expressing your truth. So there is a sense of trusting in your truth, now leveling up to express that truth. That shows that you are trusting in it when you have the ability to express it. And now you get to express your spirit, express what you have faith in with your physical body. Let's see which guide or frequency is supporting you this week, especially with your throat chakra. I love this. We are doing a Rainbowseed maintenance reading, and I pulled the Rainbow Child. Now, rainbow children or rainbow beings, they have had lifetimes on different planets. They have had a life as an angelic being, as an earthly being, as a starseed being, a star being. Now, because they have had so many different types of lives, they have a sense of being unstoppable. They have come to our planet right now to assist in building the new earth. And this is a being that has multiple talents, and they are miraculous at alchemizing situations. So call upon a rainbow being, or maybe you know a rainbow child, whether it is a child or an adult in your life, allowing them to support you this week, because they are going to assist you in alchemizing all of those elements that you have purpose and information within. They're going to open up and show you how to integrate each part of that into physical actions. They're really going to see your spirit. Rainbow beings, rainbow children, they see your spirit first, and then they analyze your physical matter. So they have the ability to see some things that maybe you are having a hard time expressing, so then they can better articulate how you can efficiently express those moments of truth. And that in turn allows you to trust yourself. Beautiful. Now, what activation or possible self-care will integrate as you shift these frequencies this week? The infinite. And I love that there is literal rainbows all around, because this is on our YouTube channel, the first Rainbowseed maintenance video. This is displaying that the more you are able to activate your throat chakra and express your truth, and not only express it, but have trust and faith in what you are expressing, the possibilities, the activations, the downloads, the information, it's endless. You are quite literally creating miracles from within, but it all begins with you having the ability to listen to your spirit, tap into the ether. See, we even have this double infinity sign because you are infinitely matter and ether, and there is this beautiful union, this beautiful connection. So the more and more you align and express yourself with spirit, and like on our channel in business, being human with spirit, the better your infinite energy has access to expressing itself through that beautiful throat chakra. Wow. This is marvelous. Pulling up these specific cards, I would say tapping in to your higher selves daily would be very influential this week. With both of the rainbow cards coming up, working with rainbows, working with colors all over the spectrum wheel, working with your throat chakra, speaking, writing, expressing yourself to the fullest of your capacity this week can really assist in amplifying and maintaining your light source, as well as checking your Mercury placements, whether it be your sidereal or tropical natal charts. Check for Mercury and see how it relates and what it's doing for you, because that is connected to your throat chakra, as well as working with metals. Metal really assists with your boundaries, and Mercury has a beautiful sense of displaying your boundaries in order for you to express yourself in the most authentic manner. Because when you do not have boundaries of trust and truth and maintaining how you remain truthful with your spirit and higher selves, how you trust in your spirit and in the ethers and in your higher self, physically, how are you trusting? When you can maintain those boundaries, the possibilities, the opportunities that enter your frequency, they're endless. Wow. Beautiful. Well, thank you so much for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, whether it be rainbow, angelic, star, or earth, and may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds, trust your light. I'll see you next time.